Hi, George here. In today's economy, everybody is really stretched financially. And one of the best ways to solve that problem is to get a side hustle, basically a second job that you set up on the side from what you're normally doing regularly. And who knows, maybe that side hustle in the future will become your main job. So you can use this as a springboard to get into something which you prefer doing. So where should we begin? Here's a really good start on this. List 5 realistic side hustles someone can start with zero money and AI tools. That's the important thing. We're going to be using AI tools as much as possible to make this as easy and fast as possible, and include first week actions right there. So you have a game plan on that. Okay, let's go ahead. We'll run this and let's see what we get. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT came up with here. We have 5 different side hustles: AI-powered YouTube Shorts channel, AI resume and LinkedIn profile optimization, local business social media content packages, print on demand using AI art, and podcast show notes, summaries, and time stamping. Now, if you don't happen to like any of these, just come down here and ask for a new list. And we'll do that after talking through these. First one up here, AI-powered YouTube Shorts channel. Now, doing an AI-powered Shorts channel on YouTube may sound like a real easy way to make fast money. Unfortunately, it's not. It's very difficult to make money with YouTube Shorts unless you're doing something else along with that. Now, I happen to like Shorts for one thing, and that's if you are growing a brand new channel on YouTube. Using a lot of shorts to get subscribers is a great way to go. It's the fastest and easiest way to get your 1,000 subscribers that you need to monetize your channel. But once you have that done, once you have your 1,000 subscribers, it's then time to switch over to doing long form YouTube videos. That's where the money is. That's where you get paid. I do this with my business where I sell training for software programs. And those are video courses that I sell separately. My YouTube channels bring traffic to those products that I sell. That works out very, very well. Okay, next one down here, AI resume and LinkedIn profile optimization. I think this has a real strong potential. Now, with all of these, there are some givens in here. You're going to have a computer. You'll have to have a printer. So it really isn't a zero cost because it's assuming that you've already spent the money for those basics of running a home office. But once you have that, then of course, writing resumes for people, that's a great way to go. Of course, to do this well, you will have to do some research to understand exactly how to do this properly and what the best formats are and so forth. Notice that along with the basic idea up here, it's also telling you which AI tools can be used for this, and then giving you a first week plan down here. So for resume writing, create your offer, day 1, day 2, post in job seeker groups, day 3, complete 3 to 5 free jobs, looking for testimonials, day 4, start charging, and day 5 to 7, deliver fast, ask for referrals, and build momentum. So it gives you a plan here to get going. We'll expand upon the plan here a little later on in this video. Okay, next one down here, local business social media content packages. This can be a really, really great one. I think there's a lot of potential here, especially if you are using AI to help you do this. Lots of small businesses all across the country, and I'm sure small businesses right where you live are going to need social media and social media content packages. It's a great one to start off with. Our next one down here, print on demand using AI art. This can work, but this is only going to work in really small, as they say right down here, micro niches. You have to be really, really tight on your niche and find one that nobody else is doing. And this is what Etsy is all about right now. The big problem with this is because it's so easy to do, there is a huge amount of competition. But again, this can be done well. It really is going to depend, though, on finding a good micro niche that isn't already saturated. Your last one down here, podcast show notes, summaries, and time stamping. Again, this is a great one. You're basically going to be selling your time, though, so just keep that in mind. Anything like this can be a great place to start. Now, whenever you're working with ChatGPT, it's going to be giving you suggestions down here on what to do next. The question here is, do you want me to turn this into a TikTok script, YouTube video outline, a printable quick start checklist? I would go ahead and I would do something like this. That's a good one. A 30-day posting schedule. That's a good one. All these can work with. But most importantly, right down here, just tell me which of the 5 side hustles you want to start. It'll then give you more in-depth information on that one particular side hustle. Let's say you don't like any of these 5. That's easy to handle. Let's just ask for another 5. So let's come down here where it says ask anything. And just type in, give me a new list of 5 more side hustles. You don't have to expand upon this because it's going to be basing this on what you've already done up here, or you've already asked. So it understands your approach on this. Let's hit the go button and let's see what we come up with. Okay, here are 5 more realistic zero money side hustles. Number 1 here, AI blog post and website content writer. Not a bad one. TikTok Reels caption and scriptwriter, again, not bad. AI voiceover service, not bad. Real estate listing descriptions, that's a nice one. And AI Canva digital download creator. Again, you're offering a service on these, not a bad way to go. If you like any of these different ideas, let's just scroll back up here to our first set. And let's ask for more information. I'll come up here just a little bit. I kind of like this one here, local business social media content packages. I'm going to right click and copy that. Let's come back down here where it says ask anything. Let's expand on this. And let's try this. Give me more information on the local business social media content packages idea. I'll make sure that is in quotes. So I'm just quoting what it says right here. That way, ChatGPT can easily find exactly what we're talking about. Let's just add in a 30-day game plan to get this new business started. Click on this, and then ChatGPT is going to come back with a lot more information on how I can set up and start this new side hustle, including tools to use over here, niches that work best, and here's the 30-day launch plan. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and then a scaling strategy. And again, as always, they will come down here with more ideas here, more ways to expand upon this. You can continue working through here and really help refine this. Now, one thing I would mention on this is I would not go with just their basic setup in here. Here's niches that work best. I would take a look at these, and then I would think of some more niches. I would do my own research and find more niches that are similar in here, such as pet groomers. You may also have dog walkers. You may have pet food stores. A lot of things kind of go around this. You can take almost any one of these and expand it out and give you more niches to look at. So there you go. That's how you can use ChatGPT to search for and then start your very own side hustle in here. It requires $0, but of course, some time on your part. Now, if you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Also, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video with more great ideas from ChatGPT.